Hello everyone, today I will talk about merging key sorted lists with heap sort method. For example, here we have an array which contains three sorted lists in ascending order. One of the solutions is first to concatenate these three lists into one list. Then sort the list. But this solution doesn't take any advantage of the given sorted list. In this example, each list is in ascending order. It means we can first compare the first element of these three lists to find the smallest number for the output list. Then we replace the smallest number with the next element. So we compare these new three numbers and find the smallest number again and add it to the back of the result. We continue this process until all the elements are sorted. In this way, the algorithm proceeds like a multi-lanes of traffic merging into one lane. We can see this algorithm has three operations: find the minimum, remove the minimum, and move in the next element. Using heap data structure will be a good choice. We will use min heap to tackle this problem. For more information about the heap, you can watch my video, Heap Sort. The link is listed below. During the heap merging process, we initialize the heap with the first element of each list and heapify them into the min heap data structure. Move the top value to the output. Replace the top value with the next element in that list. And heapify. If the index element is outside the range of the list, an infinity number is assigned. Process will stop when all nodes in min heap are infinity. Okay, now let's look at the code. There are two sub-functions, min-heap and heapify. These two sub-functions will create a min-heap data structure. You can watch my video heap sort for the detailed information. The video link is below. In the main function, merge sorted list, we initialize the min heap with the first element of each list. Each node uses a Python dictionary to contain the element value information and its location information, aka column and row information. The while loop is used for the merging. Inside the while loop, first add the root node value to the back of the output list. Then from the location of the element next to the root node value in the list. If it is the end of the list, assign the root node value with infinity. Otherwise, assign it with that element value. Finally, reheapify this new heap. The whole process will stop when every node value is infinity. Just want to mention here, you don't need to write the whole code like this. Python has a heap-q module. It only takes one sentence to complete the merge. Okay, that's all for today. See you next episode.